Hello everyone. Today, we learn conditionals. We use conditional sentences to acknowledge what will happen, what could happen, what might have happened, and what you wish would happen. Most of the conditional sentences contain the word if, so it is also called if clauses. The conditional sentences are constructed with the if clause in the main clause. The zero conditionals are used to denote the general facts which are always real and true. For example, if it rains, the grass gets wet. We use the conditional type 1 to express a possible condition and its probable result. In type 1, we use the simple present in the if clause and the simple future in the main clause. For example, if it rains, you will get wet. We use the type 2 conditional to discuss the imaginary condition and its possible outcome. We use simple past tense in if clause and would plus verb 1 in the main clause. For example, if it rained, you would get wet. The type 3 conditional is used to discuss an unreal past condition with its possible past result. In type 3, we use the past perfect in if clause and would have plus V3 in the main clause. Have you ever heard, getting up early is bad for our parents? Let's listen to Mr. Know-All. I believe the video will help you to understand the type 3 conditionals.
Hello. My name is Mr. Know-All. I consider myself the most loving and caring son of my parents. Do you know why?
Why?
I never wake up at 6 in the morning. Only the reason is, getting up at 6 in the morning is bad for my parents. Let me tell you how. If I had got up early, I would have caught the 6:30 bus. If I had caught the 6:30 bus, I would have taken a seat by a beautiful foreigner. If I had sat by her, she would have fallen in love. And I would have married her. If I had married her, she would have asked me to go to live in her country. If I had lived in her country, I would have looked at her father's business, and I would have become very rich. If I had become very rich, I would have not been free, and I would have lived a busy scheduled life. If I had spent such a busy life, then I would have forgotten my own country and family. If I had forgotten my own country and family, my parents would have suffered from loneliness and depression. So, getting up early means causing problems for my parents. So, I have taken the vow, not to wake up at 6 in the morning because, I love my country and family very much.
If I met John Pollan, I would ask him for his autograph. If I throw a paper boat in the pond, it floats. If I had taken the penalty kick, I would have scored the goal. If I had had a bachelor's degree in aviation, I would have flown the planes. If I had a helicopter, I would rescue the people in the boat. If you marry me, you will remain happy. If small babies are hungry, they cry. If get a chance to go on a trip to France, I will explore Eiffel Tower. If I had joined a skiing club, I would have participated in the competition. If the weather is good, we will harvest lots of apples.